Last but not least of our members of Congress who are here, I said when Senator Merkley came earlier, I said, that 2008 was a bumper crop of fabulous new members of Congress. But really no one's star is shining brighter than one of the newest members from the state of Maryland, one of the fiercest champions for women's rights, Congresswoman Donna Edwards. Please give it up for Donna Edwards.
Thank you. Okay, so when they say boots on the ground, today we have boots on the ground. Look, I was just thinking, 21 years ago, I was holding my infant son above my head in his snowsuit out on the mall in Washington marching for women's lives and saying, I can't hold him up there now because he's way too tall. But what I thought then, and one day he took that picture, someone took a photograph of him in his snowsuit and his mom with her hair, longer hair all over the place, and condoms in the back. And he took that picture to school one day when he was in middle school. And he used it in a report as an example of what it means to speak out for women's lives. And so, in this room and across this country, men, boys, women, girls, Latinas, African Americans, white women, Asian women, all women care about our right to choose. And we will not allow that to be sacrificed in the name of reform. Because any reform that takes women a step backwards from making decisions about our reproductive health is not good for America. And we're not going to tolerate it. And so I'm looking at this room, and I want to give a special shout out to all of our friends over in the Russell caucus room, because we know you're there too. And I want you knocking on every door. I want you not taking no for an answer. I don't want you to make a single assumption about where any senator stands, because we've already had the experience. And we know that sometimes people can say they're pro-choice and then they do something differently. And we will not allow that to happen in the name of health care reform. And at the end of the day, for the women that I met just 2 days ago in a Planned Parenthood center in Silver Spring, Maryland, who were young and they were old and they were married and they were single, and some of them had been abused and others of them were just seeking reproductive services. We want to say to them, it will be available for you, and it doesn't matter if you can't afford it. And we are not going to allow the federal government to reach in our handbags and take our money and tell us what we can do with it. Let's go knock on some doors.